Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So the thing is that there is one question which has been asked from a lot of students, and it is the same question. So the question is that how to start with DSA. Simply, the thing is that before starting with DSA, you are required to go ahead with one coding language, and that coding language you should be have completely hands-on for the same, in that manner that your theoretical part is completed for that coding language, and even the OOPS concepts of that coding language is completed. So after that part, then you need to go ahead with doing some of the courses or refer any book for going ahead with the DSA part using that coding language. So for this purpose, I will suggest you some of the courses, online courses. Those are like completely free of cost, that I'll mention in the description. And even for the books also, there are a lot of standard books which you can follow, and then you can go ahead with coding part for using those coding languages. You also need to be firm enough in the time complexity, in the space complexity part, which also comes under the theory part of that coding language, and even for the DSA as well. So this is one of the important thing. Hands-on on that coding language, you can also try out with some of the projects, so that you are like completely aware of the syntaxes which are being used in that coding language. Now after doing all this, you can go ahead with any of the coding platform, either LeetCode, HackerRank, HackerEarth, Codeforces, CodeShip, any of the platform, and just sort their questions from easy, medium, hard, means as per the difficulty level or as per the topic level. So the thing is that after this, you will be easily able to solve if you will be going ahead in this pattern. The thing is that when you would be solving this question, at that time only you are required to make notes in such a manner that you are easily able to revise those patterns when you would be revising them in near future. Because the thing is, whatever we do and we don't make any notes and so on of that, then it will become difficult for us to revise in future. But the whole thing is that you need to do practice and practice a lot by sorting them either topic wise or by sorting them either difficulty level. But I will prefer to say that first sort them topic wise, and in that topic wise you sort them difficulty level, and then go ahead with those coding questions. And then comes the part that after you are completed with all these steps, then what you are required to do is you need to solve the contest. Basically give the contest, either it is on LeetCode or Codeforces or any other coding platform. You need to do the contest, and after that go ahead with mock interviews, so that you can build up confidence and you can easily express your wordings which are there in your mind regarding those questions. So these are the two important parts after you are done with the DSA part. So after all this is done, then you are good to go ahead for your further things, means your interviews and online assessments and so on. So this was all for this video, and about the resources which I have mentioned in the video, I'll drop the links in the description below and you can get those from there. So this was all. Thank you.